some rough sketches of some lines here. So, first example, want a line that has a slope of 2 through the point 3, 1. So I'm going to acknowledge that the slope of 2 means 2 over 1, because that over 1 will help me with my rise over run analogy. So with slope is rise over run, and you're actually told which point you're supposed to go through. You're supposed to go through 3, 1. So if I go to 3, 1, that would mean 3 to the right and 1 upward. So there's the point that's located at 3, 1, and then the slope tells you rise over run. So from that point we're going to rise 2. I'm going to draw this dotted because it's not formally part of the graph. And we're going to run 1. So I'm going to run 1. And that will be the second point that is on this particular graph. It's actually infinitely many points on the graph, but that second point is sufficient for us to be able to draw in a line and say that this is the appropriate line. So if you have a ruler, once you have 2 lines, it's really easy to draw that line in. Okay, second example. We want the slope to be negative 1/3, and it's going to go through the point negative 1, 5. So this time with that slope, I'm going to group the negative with the 1, so that way my rise is going to be negative 1 and my run is going to be 3. Technically it doesn't matter which one you group it with, I just as a habit group it with the top one. So to approach this problem, we need to start off with negative 1, 5. So I'll move left 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upward. That's the initial point on the graph. And then the slope is rise over run. So the rise is down 1 and the run is to the right 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I have to get over to about here. So those 2 points are sufficient for graphing the line, so let's do so. Line will come through here to there to there. Okay, pretend that's a straight line. I just don't have the right tool for that. Okay, let's see if you can actually do one better than I can then. Try to draw a line that has a slope of 2/3 and goes through the point negative 2, negative 5. Pause the video, see if you can do it better than I did with the previous example. And assuming you give it a good shot here, let's do it together. The point is negative 2, negative 5. So that means go left 2, down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 2, down 5, located right there. Slope, 2/3. So rise 2, we'll go up 2 spots along the y-axis, and run 3. So 1, 2, 3. It's going to correspond to about there. So let's see if I can get this one better now. So I need a line that goes through those 2 points. That's better. And put the little tails on the end, and there's the line that has slope 2/3 and goes through negative 2, negative 5. I hope your graph is similar.